Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, October the 12th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And we have here also a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the 3 star Sudoku number 7258. 7258. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have not counted yet. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star, not the 3 stars puzzle. 25. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 27 should be a 1 star, yeah. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then 7. Need a 6. Come on, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then. Interesting. Need a 3. Need a 4 here. 9. Okay. And now. Need a 4 here. 6, 2. Need a 2 here. Okay. 2 and need a 7 here. 8, 9, 5, 8. Need a 9 here. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Okay. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 3, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this set column, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. I've eliminated the 2 here, so the only place left for the 2 should be there then. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6, okay. And now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this row, no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. 9 is missing, 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. So, 5 and a 3. 3, 3, okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, first row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between. Second row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Okay. Need a 9 here. What the... No. I need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. How about 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the 3, we have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, 3 goes, and there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 1, 1. 3, 8, and a 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Need a 3. Well, 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5, the 6 and 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 should be there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. The other pair in this big square are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left with 4, goes together with 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9. 1 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about here? 9 and 8. We have 8 now in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes and there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. 0 stars. I'm faster than 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle. The 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.